Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cooking Everything Outdoors show. Today we're making North Carolina vinegar sauce, the Bill West way, of course. Well, many of you really enjoyed the Alabama white barbecue sauce video I did and the South Carolina mustard sauce that I did, and all those were from Bill West's cookbook, BBQ Blueprint, which is still a go-to source for me for a lot of items. And this recipe in particular comes from Bill. It's his North Carolina vinegar sauce. It's really easy to make. A saucepan, what do I got? 9 ingredients, and a spoon is about all you need for this. Really easy. I'm making some pulled pork pretty soon, and I need some sauce for it. Bill delivered. In Bill's recipe, he only requires 9 ingredients. It just doesn't get any easier than that. We have 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, a half a cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of crushed red pepper, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of kosher salt. I have a half teaspoon each of ground mustard and celery seed, teaspoon of dark molasses. You can also use red plum sauce, which I think is Bill's preferred way of doing it. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm not sure if I got that right. I've been trying for 60 years. And you also need a saucepan, and I've got a lightweight saucepan. I'm going to do it on my 3-burner stove. Now, according to Bill, North Carolina vinegar sauce is tart, hot, and a little bit sweet, and just thin enough to mix with some pulled pork without taking away from the smoked flavor. Exactly what I'm looking for. So first thing we need to do is heat up our skillet. Then we're going to put everything in the skillet and simmer. Trust me, that's about it. Seeing how we're just going to simmer this, I'm going to turn my burner on to low. We'll just get this pan heated up and start adding our ingredients. As far as the order of ingredients go, that's entirely up to you. It's kind of a dump recipe, but I'm going to put my peppers, my celery salt, and black pepper and mustard in first because I'm going to try to release some of the aromatics from these. No oil needed. Can already smell that starting to release its flavors, its oils, its essence. We're just going to do this for a little bit because I don't want to burn it. It's like being in a spice store. I add my apple cider vinegar, ketchup, brown sugar, molasses, Worcestershire sauce. I'm trying. And last, salt. Bring all this together until it's blended. Turn it up to bring it to a boil, then I'm going to reduce it to a simmer. Then once it starts to boil, turn it down and simmer it. We're going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. All right, our 10 minutes is up, give or take. It's really hot right now, but I want to give this a bit of a taste test. Vinegar comes through significantly. Definitely tart. It's got some heat. And just a hint of sweetness. Not much there in the sweet. If you do want it a little on the sweet side, I would think a little extra brown sugar wouldn't kill you. And so once you've had your taste test and you've let this cool down enough to store, just simply pour it in a canning jar, if you can wait that long. And then you have yourself a little jar full of North Carolina vinegar goodness. Hey, listen, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comments are welcomed and appreciated. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the little bell next to it so you're notified of when my next video will be up. Thanks to Bill West and the BBQ Blueprint. Check out his book. There's a link below in the notes, and it's on Amazon, and I really like the book. There's a segment in there on Dutch oven cooking from moi that you may enjoy also, but Bill's a good guy. Really great to support some of the people in the industry. That's it. Take care. I'll see you when I see you. Vinegar sauce. Damn it. Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Welcome.